Baby wants to be a pop star. Probably just to spite me. But she thinks it's so easy to get to the top. But a girl like that, she won't know where to stop. But when her most recent therapist suggested maybe she become a Buddhist, she might even consider giving up red meat. Man, you're gonna look back to when your life was so sweet. You know, they just don't make them like they used to. No, they don't make them like they used to, baby. They just don't make them like they used to. Yeah, you should've just stuck with me. Should've just stuck with me, baby. Yeah, listen to that. Oh, I needed to relax.
Relax, baby.
Maybe you just don't understand. This job is so demanding.
You the one that's demanding, baby.
Why can't I just leave me alone?
Oh, I know.
You're such a drag.
You're breaking my heart.
You're so lucky to be anonymous.
Yeah, baby, I'm invisible.
So lucky. Is that for me?
You.
You put that for me?
Yeah, that's your bro.
Mine too.
It's coming from Detroit. The whole thing's over, baby.
You put that through?
Crash. You don't want to know what this man has to say.